Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove an admin from this group. So open your Facebook group first. Now you have to go to these members, all members. You can see here, right click on this and choose the admin name here, search for it. Now you can see that this is one admin. I'm gonna remove this admin now. You have to just simply go to this three dot icon, which is right corner, and then you'll find here remove as admin. Click on remove as admin. It will ask you for confirmation. Click on confirm, and now you can see that admin is no more activated here. Okay, so this guy is no more admin. So guys, this is how you can cancel or remove an admin from this group. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.